Okay, sorry about that. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. First off, I already primed my eye with Urban Decay Primer Potion. Blah. Sorry if it gets shaky, my knee hit the desk. And then I also primed my eyelashes with MAC's Prep and Prime. And now what we're going to do is I'm going to take the NYX Jumbo Eyeshadow Pencil in Baby Blue, and I'm just going to put this all over my lid right here, all the way up to where I'm going to put my shadow, so a little bit above the crease. Alright. Now I'm just going to take my ring finger, because it is the finger that applies the least pressure to the eyes since they are very sensitive, and just blend that in. I'm using blue because I want the blue undertones to pop throughout this look. Okay, now you should have something that looks sort of like this. Alright, now the next step is, of course, we are going to be using our Wet n Wild Supernova quad. And I'm going to be taking my 228 like mini shader brush, and I'm going to be dipping it into the green right here. Okay, I'm going to get that good on my brush. I'm going to go into my corner, place it into the tear duct, and work my way in. I'm only going to be moving my brush in one direction. Okay, you want that to be as vibrant as it can, because that's the color that we want to kind of pop and brighten up our eyes. So go ahead and just apply that to the inner corner, on in to about a third of your eyelid. Okay, and now you're going to just flip over your same brush and dip it into that blue color, or any blue. You can use your 88 palette for this as well. Just a soft, or a aqua blue. Get it real good in there, and then you're going to put that on the center part, the inner third of your eyelid. And again, we're just working the brush in the same direction. We're not going to go back and forth, because we want this to be a gradient effect. To blend the two colors together, you have one side that has green on it and one side that has blue. So use the side that has the green and push it into the blue. Then flip it and push this side into the green. Okay, if you want to apply a little bit more blue, you may do so. It's all up to you on how pigmented you want this to look. I'm doing it extremely pigmented and vibrant for the purpose of this tutorial, so you can see what I'm doing. If you have any fallout, just take a kabuki and brush it away. Okay, and now I'm going to take a clean 228 like brush, and I'm going to be dipping it into the chocolate brown right there. You don't want to get too much, because you want to kind of build this up, because see how dark it is? And you're just going to put that on the outer corner and bring it up into your crease. I know we have something that looks very scary right now, but we're going to be blending. Just kind of go in circular motions. And blend this baby out. Okay, now I'm going to be taking a 224 like fluffy blending brush. Hush! Sorry about that. Fluffy blending brush. I'm just going to be going over the whole thing we just did right there on the brown and into the crease. I really don't want to have to redo this video. Shirley! Shh. Okay. See how it's already blending out? Okay. So now we have our green, our blue, and our brown, and it's going into our crease. Now I'm going to take this huge 227 like brush, and I'm going to dip it into, I'm using e.l.f.'s just a white eyeshadow from e.l.f. that's a matte, because we use so much shimmer on our lids, we kind of want to tone it down with a matte highlight. And just place it underneath, dab it underneath the brow, whatever you like to do. Okay, now I'm also going to take a little bit of that and just dab it into the inner corner of my eyes, just to kind of brighten up the inner corners. Okay, alright, now let me see where I'm at here. Okay, we're okay. I'm going to take that first 228 like brush, And I'm going to dip it into the green, that green color right there. I'm going to go underneath my lash line. Shirley, hush. Okay, I'm so sorry, you guys. Every time I make a video, they're barking their brains out. Okay, and now you want to do the blue in the center. Shirley, come on. Go. Problem solved. Okay. Alright, now you want to take the brown and go on the outer third and connect it up to where our brown is on top. You might experience some fallout. So you just want to take your kabuki or whatever. Or you can also, a lot of people like to apply a little bit of powder, like mineral powder underneath their eyes on top of their cheekbones to catch the fallout when it comes. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take a black eyeliner. This is Sephora's Flashy Liner in Waterproof, and it's black. And I'm just going to line my eye. Notice when I apply my eyeliner, I start with my eyes closed and then I open it. I set it in the middle and I open it and kind of let it draw itself on there. And then we're just going to wing it out. Okay, alright. And now to give my eyes that bright pop that we're going for, I'm going to be using my MAC, maybe if I can find it, MAC Eye Khol in Fascinating. It's just a white eyeliner. And you're going to gently pull on your bottom lid, and you're going to just apply that to your waterline. Okay. Alright. And now we're just going to finish off the look with some Jane. Where did it go? Okay, where did I put it? Okay, some Jane Black Waterproof Mascara, which I just got and I'm testing out and I really don't care for it. But you're just going to apply this to the lashes. And I will show some pictures at the end and the beginning of the finished look. And that was very easy. And that was the new summery Wet n Wild quad look. I hope that you guys enjoyed. Have a good one. XOXO. Mwah.